All right, today we're gonna bring a weed whacker, and this is the entire kit that you get. I like that they include 2 batteries, all right? Rechargeable batteries. The recharging station goes in here, all right? They give you the power cord. They give you a cover, protective cover. They give you disc blades, all right? This is an option, disc blades. These are pretty sharp. Make sure that they keep them in the package when you're not using them. They have 2 types of it. They also give you the strings too. If you want to use the strings itself, all right, they give you nylon string, more of it, all right? So longer, stronger. Safety glasses, rolling wheels, instructions how to put this together. So we're gonna put it together and we're gonna use it today. So let's go ahead and do that. One of the things I was a little confused when I was setting up the blade is that I thought it had a little screw in here, but you actually have to hold this down to twist it. All right, so it has to be that little notch here. The blade goes in there, this goes on top of the blade. All right, so that's just one of the issues I had. Just be sure there's nothing, no screws, just to hold down so this thing will spin. All right, and this one, I'm gonna put this in here. It tells you it's the opposite way, right? So you have to twist it the opposite, counterclockwise, holding the blade down, twisting it, and make sure you put the tool right. I'm finished with the backyard here. This area grows a lot of plants right away. A lot of trash accumulates here. But this thing penetrates through everything. Cardboard, if you guys can see, debris, everything, and it combines it into small little petite little pieces of trash so I could pick up even faster and better. So very strong, durable. You could change the blades if you want to have maybe the ribbons or another type of blades that are included with it. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.